Kakun Nyotrap National Awakening Movement KHNAM Kalapan Pau Gajing Sokya Halor Jingpyntreikam Yaka Special Intensive Revision SIR Bat Klarai Bantoshu Chief Electoral Officer Bandawa Banpintikina bagi Trai Jylla Kimde Ban Shaweng Nish akan tat Nakatup Kerteng Gindong Tap Vote Working President KHNAM Ubak Thomas Pasa Ulo Kadau bagi SIR Kepenchong Nong Rim Halor Ketup Kerteng Nong Tap Vote Ong Senam Arajarsan Bat Kelong Babakla Lada Ki Trai Ri Trai Muluk Shaweng No Hadian Malapendep Ikani Kejing Lum Jing Tip Kasengla Sokyaru halor ki kubor bela IT yaki enumeration form kinong mi kemat san perthai kabala ban penlong yaki ban penon kam yaka nak benta kejingmentoy hagaran san perthai halor ke West Shillong constituency wa Thomas Pasa ulong bakalong ke bapla ban iba ki reuluam ke bagi Trai ri kala long ki ret pat suki ha top kerteng no tap vote par kalong kejing sya penjot ikrukom sensyar lada ki Shaweng ha ke SIR KHNAM Gladawa na katanat election man pendam no agi kerteng juginong tap vote keberan artli ki epic ki bawa na bar ke Jylla na markani kalong ke babean kat kum ka kendon jong ke election commission kari kumta keseng ka kentu ya bro ki Trai ri Trai Muluk ban simkhia ban pentikna bag kerteng jongki karung ha kapor bale ya ke SIR kenang ban amara jenge ki pateng banwan bat kala pentep bagan sebut den ba ban pha da kejing tho show chief electoral officer ban pentikna ya kejing pensisha ke babiang.
We have studied the provision of the SIR also, and of course we would express a big concern. It's not a small concern, a big concern with respect to the SIR. You see, at the end of the day, now the base of this SIR is the electoral roll 2005. That is the base. They are taking data from that electoral roll back in the last SIR, which was conducted in 2005. Now, many people who are genuine resident of the state, especially the indigenous tribe, it will be wrong if a single indigenous tribe is left out of the SIR. It will be very, very much wrong. And we have also seen a report just yesterday in the media report that the enumeration form is being given to a politician, which directs that maybe the politician or political party might use it for their political benefits. And we have areas that are very complicated. You see 18 West. 18 West is a area where the indigenous tribe are the minority voters. And how did they become minorities is very surprising. Now, if we go back time, of course, the indigenous tribe were the majority resident of that area. But slowly, the indigenous tribe has become minority in the electoral process. So we are very fearful that maybe the indigenous tribe will be left out of the SIR. And if that happens, it will be a big blow to the governance system or to the political picture in the state of Meghalaya. Therefore, we will be sending a letter to the CEO also to request that to ensure that a very proper verification is to be done. And with respect to the electors who are not indigenous tribe, it is very proven, it is known, if not in document, but most of these voters who are not from the state, they have another epic in their villages also, in their concerned state of residence. They go and vote in UP also, in Bihar also. And when the election comes in Meghalaya, they vote here, which means that they have a dual epic. And dual epic is illegal as per the guidelines of the Election Commission of India. So we have requested that the election department in the state of Meghalaya, while carrying out this SIR, they should ensure that all these people who are already having epic in the state of their birth state, their name should be deleted from the SIR. And we would like to request to all the citizens, especially the indigenous citizens of the state, to please take this SIR process very seriously. Please ensure that your name is included in the SIR final roll. Because if it is not included, it will bring a big difficulty to the generation to come. Maybe when the next SIR will be conducted in the state of Meghalaya. So we will be following up this SIR process very closely, and any new development we will be writing up to the election department in the state of Meghalaya.